Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by aligning the model, data, and tools so you can act immediately. Verify your dataset covers varied poses, lighting, and occlusions. That prevents biased finger shapes. Once done, prepare high-resolution rigs and consistent joint naming. Make sure dependencies like PyTorch and MediaPipe are installed and match the model version. Then run a quick validation pass on 50 samples to catch gross labeling errors. This first pass gives you confidence to proceed into targeted corrections. You now dig into pose accuracy and mesh topology, adjusting how the model values each joint. Start by adding a bone length consistency term to the loss so fingers keep proportional lengths, and balance per joint L2 with a regularizer. Once that trains, retarget the skeleton to your engine, correcting parent-child hierarchies and joint orientation flips. Make sure to augment with rotation, occlusion, and 10-20% noise to prevent brittle predictions. Iteratively evaluate fingertip errors and refine until errors fall below your threshold. You finish by stabilizing outputs and creating safeguards that stop recurring failures. Bake corrective blend shapes for frequent misposes and test them at 0, 45, and 90 degrees so deformations stay natural. Then add temporal smoothing with a short 0, 1 to 0, 3-second window to remove jitter without lag. Finally, implement angle clamps and fallback poses for impossible joint values. If things go wrong, visualize joint angle distributions to find outliers, then clamp or retrain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.